Say hello to Chen's Bond, your MongoDB cluster buddy. It's like having a best friend for your sharded clusters, here to spill the beans on what's happening in your MongoDB world. Think of it as the secret sauce that brings all your shards together, giving you the inside scoop on your database setup. With Bond, you're not just keeping an eye on shards, you're simplifying sharded cluster analysis. Now, let's talk about setting it up. It's as easy as ordering a pizza on a lazy Sunday. To get started, mosey on over to the Bond GitHub repository and grab that source code. You'll need Git for this, so make sure Git is on your computer. Once you've got the source code, open your terminal or command prompt, go to the downloaded directory, and fire up the build.sh script. This script, tested on Linux, Mac OS, and Windows, is like magic, but you'll also need a Go compiler, version 1.19 or higher, for it to work. If you're on Windows, just use git bash and make sure MinGW and the Go compiler are on board before building Bond. The compilation process is faster than a cheetah on roller skates, and voila, Bond is ready to make your sharded cluster analysis a breeze. Bond offers versatile connection options tailored to your environment. Whether you're running a sharded cluster through a Mongo's instance, or operating in an isolated setting, Bond has you covered. It seamlessly connects to your sharded cluster via Mongo's instance for instant insights. And for those in isolated environments, Bond allows you to restore to a standalone server, using a backup from your config database. Just remember to include a backup of the MongoS collection for a smooth transition. You'll even find a handy script for backup and restoration of a config database example, making the process as straightforward as it gets. Time to dive into the good stuff. Bond starts by taking a peek at your cluster's configurations and metadata, like a detective on a case. It's also the Sherlock Holmes of MongoOS versions, sniffing out any version mismatches and health states. Plus, it keeps a watchful eye on your shard setup, making sure the max size parameter is playing nice. It's like a bouncer at the club, ensuring everyone's on the guest list. It even gives the side eye to the action log collection to confirm it's the capped collection it claims to be. Similarly, it gives a thumbs up to the change log collection, checking that it's in the capped collection club. To top it off, Bond cross-references your cluster's version with MongoDB's recommended upgrade list, offering you a backstage pass to all the juicy details. Moreover, it scans through the shards, databases, and collections metadata to meticulously uncover chunk distributions and other essential information. Bond's dedication to comprehensive insights doesn't stop there. It seamlessly links this chunk distribution information to dynamic charts, providing you with a visually engaging and intuitive way to understand your MongoDB cluster's data distribution trends. Now, let's chat more about the alerts, the part where Bond plays protector. Any issues or red flags it discovers during its detective work are showcased here. For example, if the cluster Mongo version is in the recommended upgrade list, Bond would flag a warning sign and list links to the juicy detail. It's like your friendly neighborhood superhero, swooping in to save the day by alerting you to potential problems that might need your attention. Bugs. Even the fanciest software gets them, and MongoDB isn't immune. That's where Bond comes to the rescue, like a bug-swatting ninja. It keeps an eye on known issues and recommends upgrades to squash those pesky critters. But here's the fun part, you can join the bug hunting party by updating the tickets.json file with any known problems you've encountered. It's like adding your own bugs to the mix, but in a good way. Inside that file, you'll find not just bug references, but also nifty links for juicy bug descriptions. So, whether you're squashing bugs, or adding some to the collection, Bond is your trusty sidearm in the wild west of sharded cluster maintenance. Bond offers a comprehensive and user-friendly feature, a Restful API that seamlessly provides JSON data for integration with your applications. This API empowers you to effortlessly access and incorporate essential information from Bond into your own software solutions, ensuring a harmonious and data-driven MongoDB sharded cluster analysis experience. It's a bridge that, connects Bond with your applications, opening up a world of possibilities for enhancing the functionality and insights of your MongoDB ecosystem. Last but not least, let's talk more about charts. Visuals are where the party's at, and Bond knows it. While it currently offers some cool charting features about chunk migration and splits, we're here to spill the beans. The charting feature is about to get a makeover that will make Cinderella jealous. Get ready for even fancier charts that will provide deeper insights into your cluster's performance, health, and trends. Oh, I almost forgot to mention that you can access charts conveniently through Restful API calls. For instance, you can automate the process of saving charts in HTML format. As an example, the URL on the screen will generate a pie chart. And here's another one illustrating the distribution of a collection among charts. It's all about making your cluster analysis as seamless and informative as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you will enjoy using Chen's Bond to simplify your sharded cluster analysis. It's your trusty companion in the world of MongoDB, always here to help you make sense of it all. Happy sharding!